Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In today's episode, we will be learning how to be verified in LinkedIn. To be verified on LinkedIn, first of all, open the LinkedIn app on your device, or you can also go to the LinkedIn website on your desktop. Either way, once you're logged into your account, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner to open up your profile page. Once you do that, tap on the settings button at the bottom of the screen. After you open up the settings menu, tap on account preferences. Also ensure that your profile is complete with your accurate name, current job, education, and profile picture. After you are sure you have your updated information, tap on Get Verified at the top. You will then be guided through the verification process. Tap on the button where it says Verify with Persona and then follow through the prompts. Select your country and also make sure that you have your government issued ID, that is your passport or your driver's license, etc. After choosing your country from the list, tap on I agree box and the other I consent box as well at the bottom, and finally click on continue. Now, follow through the prompts and you will be guided through a process where you will need to scan the chip on the back of your ID that you've chosen. Using your device's camera, take a clear photo of the front of your government ID and the back of your government ID for verification. After you follow through the prompts and complete the procedure, you will then be able to verify your LinkedIn account. And that is how you can easily verify your LinkedIn account, just like in some other platforms. You'll need to maintain a complete, active, and professional profile on LinkedIn so that you can increase your chances of being verified, especially if you're in a public-facing role. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and career advice. I'll be back again in the next video. Thank you.